Robert's 6399 firm set transitional pressure sensitive adhesive is an aggressive high-tack transitional adhesive with superior shear strength and high resistance to lateral forces, making it ideal for heavy traffic with great performance under rolling loads. It's formulated for the installation of resilient flooring including LVT, LVP, VCT, and carpet tile. 6399 installs like a pressure-sensitive adhesive and firms as it cures to form a permanent bond. When used as a pressure-sensitive adhesive, it has an open time of up to 60 minutes and a working time of up to 12 hours. For semi-wet installations, it has an open time of up to 20 minutes and a working time of up to 40 minutes. With a moisture vapor emission rate of 12 pounds and an RH of 99%, it covers up to 350 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. 6399, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes, including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.